Hello everyone. Are you ready to make smarter property investment decisions? I am Kate Hill, qualified property investment advisor and full-time property investor, and I am here to help you cut through the noise with some honest, no hype advice. If you want real strategies, real tips, zero fluff, you are in the right place. So today I have got some exciting news to share with you all. I am opening up the Adviseable service offering to include an investment location guidance service. Stay tuned. So here's something I get asked all the time. Where should I invest in property right now? Because let's be honest, there is a lot of noise out there. You have probably seen 100 different opinions online. One article says Brisbane, another one says regional is the way to go. Your mate at the barbecue reckons he's found the next brilliant hotspot. But you don't want guesswork. You want strategy. You want clarity. You want someone to cut through all the noise and actually tell you where your money's going to work for you the best. So that's exactly what I do with the Property Pathways Location Guidance Service. I know it's a bit of a mouthful. And don't forget, I am a qualified property investment advisor. I'm very experienced as a buyer's agent. I have been doing this for many, many years. As you can see, I have some maturity behind me. I have seen it all. And here's the thing, location is everything in property investing. And Australia is a big place. You can buy the prettiest lovely house in the wrong suburb and still lose money. Or you can buy an average home in the right location and watch it grow steadily in value, attract great tenants and deliver consistent returns. But how do you know where the right place is? Well, that's where this service comes in. I give you customized strategic location advice based on your budget and your goals and your risk profile and based on what you are trying to achieve. So let me walk you through what you get when you sign up. So first we will sit down and figure out your investment strategy. What are you trying to achieve? Then I will build a short list of specific locations that match that strategy. So I'm talking locations that I have deeply researched, obviously. Places with really solid infrastructure plans, population growth, low vacancy rates, and not just what's hot right now, but areas that are sustainable and investable over the long term. You'll get location reports with suburb insights, demographic data, and a breakdown of why each area made the list for you. I can also give you customized sample cash flows based on realistic rental returns, expenses, and holding costs so that you can see exactly how that location might perform in your portfolio. And best of all, you're not left alone. I will guide you through the thinking behind every location. It's not just about telling you where to invest, it's about showing you why this is a smart move for you. This service is perfect if you want to invest in residential property but don't know where. Australia is a big place. You've been burnt by advice that was too vague or salesy. You're time poor and you want someone to do the heavy lifting and narrow down your location options. You might be an experienced investor who wants to make the next smart location choice. Or maybe you're just tired of being stuck in research paralysis. This service solves that for you. Now, this isn't a cookie cutter, one size fits all solution, and I'm not pushing developer stock or spruiking dodgy hotspot tips. I'm fully independent. I have no vested interests in this at all other than your best interests. And that means I'm not tied to any builders or any sales team. I choose capital growth locations because they make sense for you. I'm not just going to give you a list of postcodes and send you on your way and wish you luck. I'm delivering clarity, context, and a proper strategy and location advice to move you forward with confidence. So if you are serious about your investing in 2025, then this is your starting point. Send me a quick email at the address that I'll put down there below with your contact details to let me know that you are interested. I'll send you some information and we can have a quick chat, get a feel for what you're trying to do and see if our Property Pathways location service is the right fit for you. If you're ready to stop guessing and start investing wisely in great capital growth locations, this is your path forward. As always, everyone, thank you for watching and I will chat to you all soon. Bye for now.